So if you've experienced that you're in a moment of intimacy, lose your erection, and then you just feel like no matter what you do, it's not possible to get the erection back, then this video is for you. Perhaps you have tried all the breathing techniques that are out there, or you've tried meditation or mindset stuff, you've tried pills, you've tried blocking thoughts that come up, maybe you've spoken to the doctor, or you've watched countless videos online about this to just try and get to the bottom of it. And it still happens. In the moment you go soft, and then it feels like, I don't know what else to do. And I want to say, first up, I understand the frustration. Secondly, our body is a powerful thing. And when our mind is in a state of, you're familiar with the fight or flight response, so in more of a fear state, when we're in the fight, we're getting ready to fight. When our mind is in that terror place, our body takes over, right? We're not in control anymore. As much as we like to think that we can be in control of it, when we're in that kind of state, we're not in control, and our body just goes into protective mode and is protecting us from fear or something going wrong. So that's why no matter what we do in that moment, we're not able to turn the situation around. We're not able to reverse it as much as we want to. This is about getting the right tools and strategies to be able to get it sorted, because this does not have to be like this for years to come. This doesn't have to be like it for the rest of your life. It's totally possible for you to feel normal again. It's totally possible to give your partner pleasure and the satisfaction that you want to, and to feel the kind of connection and bond in the relationship. And it's totally possible to avoid a lifelong erection problem. It's about knowing what are the right tools to make that happen. The first step is understanding what's going on. In my mind, what are some of the things that could be causing this, that's meaning in the moment that I'm just going soft and nothing else helps? To figure out what could be causing this, I've put together a free assessment, free quiz called the Performance Anxiety Quiz. This is 10 yes or no questions that you answer. It takes less than 2 minutes to complete, and this will show you your personal score and also your own report that will explain what's going on and what to do to start getting this sorted so that you can feel normal again. If that sounds good to you, then below in the comments, I have put the link to the Performance Anxiety Quiz. Click on that link, it will open up a new page. It will take you straight to the quiz where you can answer the first question. And then I will send you your score along with your personal report. So head below into the comments, click on that link, and I will see you there.